massive hole in the road. Over here. Yeah, this is a pretty busy street, and it's just like, this is gonna be a catastrophe if, God forbid, we have a hurricane. It would be deadly. I mean, this would be like a mudslide, and then it would all go down into that hole. All right, I want to go to Homegoods because I want to get some containers to organize my headbands and then my claw clip clamps, because my bathroom countertop is getting out of control with hair accessories. Anyways, I'm going to try and figure out a route that avoids this chaos, traffic, construction nightmare. Yeah, construction around here lately has been insane in the membrane. Comment below on if you remember that song. I think I'm gonna have to go this way. Yeah, I figured I made it this many decades without Apple Pay. I will keep on. There's just certain things, certain advancements that I don't care to adapt. Like, I am not getting any kind of AI that talks at me in my home. I cannot take, like, Alexa, when people are like, Alexa, what day of the week is it? Alexa. There's an AI technology that will look at your moles, and it's actually pretty accurate, or at least the studies suggest it's pretty accurate at diagnosing melanoma. Like, some studies suggest it's even better than a dermatologist. So one day, I'm telling you, robots are going to replace doctors. Check it out. CoverGirl came out with some setting mist. Citrus, sodium hyaluronate, no occlusives. Hello, dryness and irritation. Lactans Rapid Relief is now in a tub. This is great for dry, flaky skin. It helps improve the moisture barrier. It also helps improve crepey skin. It's helpful for keratosis pilaris. Homegoods. These bins with the lids are nice. It'd be good for my brushes. They also have these cosmetics and stuff. I feel like this brand is really popular on Amazon. I'm always getting suggested M Design stuff. I kind of like this tiered basket, actually, because I like having it out. I wouldn't want to have to deal with a lid. It would get in the way of me actually putting stuff away. Is anyone else's organization skills deterred by, like, a lid? Something you have to open and close. Same thing with, like, these drawers. I feel like that would get full very quickly, and then just you'd have spillover. And this one looks like it holds a good amount, though. This Ray Dunn thing is cute, but I mean, practically speaking, what facial? I mean, I don't know. It seems kind of like not much is gonna fit in there. Ooh, that's nice. For towels and stuff. I'm over here in the decorative pillows. I love this one. For autumn. It's pretty. I love the needlepoint features too. I did not luck out in Homegoods. I'm coming over here to Joann's. Not that I think I'm going to find anything, but they have the little pumpkins that you can carve on these. It makes it seem like you can. Incredible fun. Yeah, carvable. I am down for that because carving pumpkins, while fun, is messy, messy, messy. So Joann's has a good Halloween selection here. I always like looking at holiday decor, even though I'm too lazy to decorate. It's not that I'm lazy, I don't know. I don't like stuff floating around. Those are really cute. these. Maybe terracotta pots? No, I don't think. Here's what I need, a bigger version of what I already have. How much is this? Kind of like this bowl too, just throw stuff in there, keep it organized. Ooh, little acorn lights. That's cute. Scarecrow with a dog that looks like it's being held against its will. Sleeping late, walk in the leaves, slow down, stay a while. The witch's lair, enter if you dare. Looks like a simple enough thing to DIY if you have one of those cricket cutters that I'm always lusting after. Sunflower. I feel like the sunflower doesn't get enough playtime during the fall season. It's all about the pumpkins because they seg into Halloween nicely, whereas the sunflower, I guess, doesn't. I mean, you could put some demonic face on your sunflower decor and that would make it more Halloween-y. Pre-cut fabric. Yeah, I like these knit pumpkins. They're pretty. These Hudson organizing essential baskets are 40% off. Something like this would work. How much is that? $20. Kroger got in some new succulents. Isn't that one cute? Interesting. Already got the pumpkins out. All right, I'm back from running errands. I did not luck out in my search for stuff to organize my hair care accessories, adornments, as we're calling them, my claw clamps and my headbands. But I was able to look at those, did I say M Design boxes? I kind of like those, but they didn't have the right shape or the right size. So I think I might look on Amazon and see if I can't find some that'll meet my needs. Anyways, I swung into Kroger and I will show you what I got. I'm very excited because it's that time of year. Tuscany Candle, Halloween Scents, Haunted Pumpkin Spice, Jack-o'-lantern. This was on sale and it smells delicious. Really excited for that. I got my slow cooker apples going there per usual. Sunday night. Getting ready for the week ahead. And nothing says a new week like a new tube of toothpaste. I got this Colgate Renewal, revitalizes gums, sensitivity repair. It was on sale, Kroger coupon, Kroger coupon, and no, it's not an I bought a deal, never mind. I was about to hit the trifecta. Well, hey guys, just got out of the shower. I'm doing my Skin Iceland hydrogel patches. They've been on for several minutes. I rather enjoy these. They just, honestly, it's mostly for relaxation, which feeds into your sleep cycle for better sleep. But I also like doing these in the morning. They do kind of help depuff the under eye area a little bit, just brighten up the under eye area. Although honestly, I don't have issues with under eye puffiness because I sleep on my back. That really helps. Sleeping on your back, or not only sleeping on your back, but with the head, your head like ever so slightly elevated, that can really help quite a bit. So I actually really enjoy these though, just mostly for relaxation purposes, but they can provide some temporary under eye brightening. They have ceramides in them. They have a peptide, which is going to help with improving hydration. You can keep these in the fridge. If you have one of those mini skincare fridges, you can keep them in there, and that kind of helps. They also make them for the forehead. Yeah, this brand Skin Iceland. Another brand that's really good, that has really good versions of these, is the Good Molecules caffeine under eye patches. The caffeine can just kind of temporarily, through vasoconstriction, help to reduce puffiness, and then it's an antioxidant, so it may help with dark under eye circles that are not related to your facial anatomy. If you have dark under eye circles from like just hyperpigmentation, a little bit of irritation, that that caffeine can help with that, but most people's dark under eye circles are like hereditary. And I have got to say, maybe this is an unpopular opinion, but I happen to think dark under eye circles are strikingly attractive. If I had dark under eye circles, I would not cover them up. I would just rock them. I think it gives this look of, you know, I don't know, almost like you work harder, you're smarter. It's like the glasses effect. You know how people look smarter when they have glasses? I think people who have dark under eye circles, they look smarter, or as though they have, you know, a better creativity. You know, they've been up all night at a potter's wheel or something. I don't know. So if you have dark under eye circles and you feel bad about them, just know I happen to think they're very attractive. Yeah, I would not cover them up if I had dark under eye circles. I mean, I do have dark under eyes. Everybody, it's normal to have darkness under the eye, actually. I mean, it's just kind of normal light scattering and reflection, and I have I have that, but you know, some people have really prominent dark under eye circles, and I happen to think it's attractive. I mean, for a while there, the whole smoky eye thing was trendy. Is that still a thing? I mean, people kind of do that, I guess, but we're talking like right here though. I don't think that was part of the smoky eye. This area, the dark, just the natural darkness, I think it's attractive. So if you have that, you should embrace it. I say as I get ready to peel off my depuffing patches here. Bright eyes, turn around, every now and then I get... Every time I hear that song, you know what I think of? Love someone tonight with Delilah. Anyways, y'all, I am getting the cut it out light on my camera, meaning my battery's gonna die, and you'll know about the battery being under the tripod attachment. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you all for coming along with me. I hope you had fun. And if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.